Hi, my name is Sela Vasquez, and I'm a student here at Indian River State College studying physics. What brought me to Indian River State College was the people. I know a lot of people that went here, and I know its reputation. I heard about how good of a school Indian River State College was. I really want to do aerospace engineering and astrophysics for my career. I'd like to work at NASA and work on space mission development and mission integration. And NASA really brings that to life by giving opportunities to us to actually get a better understanding of the universe we live in. The Promise program has helped me a lot, especially because it's given me the opportunity to really study what I enjoy studying and really progress my career without the stress of having to worry about loans or grants or anything like that. It's really nice. College has definitely helped with my trek towards NASA. Specifically, shout out to Dr. Odell. She has helped me a lot when it comes to opportunities or career advancement, and she has really connected me with a lot of people. I really think Indian River State College is a great opportunity for every type of student because it's a great gateway to bigger schools. It supplies great opportunities for students of every kind, any kind of major. The connections and its curriculum, it really gives a good step in the door for really any program you want to do. Hi, my name is Sela Vasquez. I am a physics major here at Indian River State College, and I am graduating this semester.